Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus slope fields look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by following these 3 simple steps to eliminate the wrong answers and find truth. First, look at the y-axis where x equals 0. The slope field shows horizontal segments, meaning the derivative must be 0 when x is 0. This eliminates options A and C. Next, observe the symmetry. The slopes are identical for positive and negative x values, implying an even function of x. Since x squared is even, we focus on b and d. Finally, notice the horizontal segments at y equals 1 and negative 1. The derivative must be undefined there, which happens when the denominator is 0. Option D fits perfectly. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore zero sloops or skip asymptotes. Always test zero sloops and check for symmetry.